Hi, I'm Kieran, I'm the Director of Phase, and Phase is an organisation working in Hertfordshire, working with children and young people across primary and secondary schools, all with the dream and the goal of building wellbeing and resilience. There's three things we talk about: promote, prevent and support. We want to promote wellbeing and resilience for all. We want to prevent issues from developing, and we want to support those struggling with a mental health difficulty. Why do I think addressing issues such as wellbeing and resilience is important? Well, first of all, a big part of it is our mental health and wellbeing. Each one of us has mental health, just like we have physical health. And as we know, especially over the pandemic and the lockdowns, this has really been affected. And so it's important that we take it seriously, that we think about it, that we create space and time for people to talk, to be open, to reflect. But much like we do with our physical health, to put things in place to keep us mentally fit and healthy, to keep us agile and resilient. There's three things you can do to get involved. First of all, share our resources. Check out our resources page on our website, which is phase-hitchin.org/resources. Loads of resources there, all free to use, so that you can build your wellbeing and resilience. So why not give them a go and share them with other people? The second thing is, promote good, healthy wellbeing and resilience. Talk about it in your school, champion it. Third of all, be the change you want to see. Be someone that's willing to say how you feel. But not only that, look out for your friends, your siblings, those around you. Be willing to ask, or maybe ask twice how somebody is doing. It can feel difficult when somebody says, "How are you?" and our automatic response is, yeah, I'm okay. But when we can turn around and say, but really, how are you? That can be the difference. Desmond Tutu once said, we've got to stop pulling people out of the river and we've got to go upstream to find out why they're falling in the first place. By you asking people, by you being willing to talk about it, by you being an advocate, we can really see change.